Okay, so heart, function of heart, chambers of heart, everything is completed. Completed or not? Hello. Okay, so today I am going to teach you some more aspects which are related with the circulatory system. What are these aspects? Just see. At the top, what is written? Heartbeat. What is written? Heartbeat. As you know, heart is made up of so many muscles. So many muscles. Okay, and these muscles rhythmically contract and relax. So this rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart muscles is called heartbeat. These heart muscles are very much flexible. Okay, that is why a lot of care is required as far as the muscles of heart is concerned. Okay, are you getting my point or not? So heart muscles is only responsible for rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart. Okay, did you get my point or not? Hello. Okay, so I am muting everyone now. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so everyone is muted now. Okay, so just you keep noting the things. Okay. Okay. Hello. Okay, so first note down. So first note down what is the heartbeat. So what is the heartbeat? It is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heart muscles. Okay, so heart muscles rhythmically contract and relax. That is only called the heartbeat. Now just see, whenever you are falling sick, you are going to doctor. So with the help of one instrument, they are checking the heartbeat. Okay, what is that instrument called? That instrument is called stethoscope. Okay, so an instrument by which doctor feels heartbeat is called stethoscope, or you can write an instrument by which doctor measures heartbeat. Okay, that is called stethoscope. Now how does this work? This device amplifies the sound of heartbeat. Actually heartbeat is produced in the heart. How other fellow can feel it? So one instrument is there, and that instrument amplify the heartbeat, and that heartbeat can be listened with the help of an instrument that is called stethoscope. Okay, now try to understand. I will show you a stethoscope, and you can also make this stethoscope at your home. Just see, this instrument is called a stethoscope. Here what is there? One tube is there. Okay, this is chest piece. Okay, now here what is there? Earpiece is there. Okay, so earpiece they are fixing on their ear. Okay, and with the chest piece they are putting on our chest, means near the heart, and that instrument amplify the heartbeat, and that can be heard by their ear. Okay, now with the help of that, what they are getting? They are getting a lot of information regarding the functioning of your body. Yes, can you see or not? Now there is a one activity by which you can make your own stethoscope. Now can you see now this diagram? Just see what you have to take. One funnel you have to take, 6 to 7 centimeter in diameter. Fix a rubber tube, okay, tightly on the stem of the funnel. Stretch a rubber sheet or balloon on the mouth of the funnel and fix it tightly with a rubber band. Put the open Put the open end of the tube on of your ears. Now this is only your stethoscope. So you can try. You can try. Hello? Am I audible? Am I? Okay. So now in this way you can make your stethoscope. Okay. Now everybody is aware about this one. Now try to understand there is a one correlation between heartbeat and pulse rate. What is that relation? Try to understand. When heart beats, then what is there? It pumps the blood to the arteries. It pumps the blood to arteries. Those arteries they produce the thumbing sound when the blood flow with the pressure. So whenever doctor is putting their hand near your, see, this side they are putting or not, like that. Okay, so this thumbing movement which is produced in your wrist, that is related with the heartbeat. The moment heart beats, that blood flow with pressure to the arteries, and when blood flows with pressure, it produces thumbing movement in the arteries. That is only called the pulse rate. So there is a relation between heartbeat and pulse rate. Means pulse rate is closely associated with the heartbeat. If your pulse rate is okay, 15 to 18 time, 15 to 18 time, already I told you or not regarding the pulse rate. So sorry, 72 to 80 per beat per minute. What is the pulse rate of a healthy person? 72 to 80 time, okay, per minute. And breathing rate is 15 to 18 time, and pulse rate is 72 to 80 times per minute. So if that much pulse is generated, it means what is there? Your heart is working properly. Okay, so let me in, somebody is waiting, I think. Okay, yes. Okay, so what we can say, that pulse rate and heartbeat is closely related. Okay, now let us move ahead now. There was one English scientist. What was the name of that scientist? William Harvey. He discovered the blood circulation. Okay, earlier it was not believed that blood is circulating in all parts of body. Okay, William Harvey, he discovered the circulatory system of human body. Okay, so the current, just see, earlier what was believed? Earlier it was believed that blood oscillates in the blood vessels. Oscillates. Oscillates means to and fro movement. Okay. Scientists told, but William Harvey discovered that blood does not oscillate. It flows throughout the body, and along with the blood, it carries nutrients and some other things along with it. Okay. Now this is the what to say, circulatory system in human being. What about the small animals or microorganisms? Spawns and hydra do not possess any circulatory system. Okay, are you getting my point or not? Spawns and hydra, they do not possess any circulatory system. Then how their body works? Try to understand. They are mostly aquatic animal. With the flow of water, nutrients are reaching to their body, and with one opening, that water is going out. So when water enters in their body, some small insects and nutrients enter their body, and they get it they digest it, and whatever product byproduct is generated through the water only, it is coming out. Okay, so this is all about the circulatory system of microorganism like sponge and hydra. Okay, so note down that one. In this way your circulatory system is completely completed. Now let us move towards the excretion in animals. Okay, excretion in animals. So now I am applying the color mic. Okay, so I will go toward the blackboard. Okay, so just try to understand excretion in animals. So the question is, what is excretion? What is excretion? Okay, so now try to understand here. See, I wrote here excretion, the process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism is called excretion. Okay, what is this one? The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism, that is called excretion. So what is excretion? Okay, am I audible and visible to you? Hello? Okay, so what is the excretion? The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organism, that is called excretion. And the body system which is involved in the excretion, that is called excretory system. Okay, that is called excretory system. Means the body system which is responsible for excretion of waste product, that is called excretory system. Now I am running top side, okay, so that I can teach the remaining things. Next one I will teach you human excretory system. What is that one? Human excretory system. Excretory system in humans. Excretory system. Excretory system in humans. Okay, so just see. This excretory system in humans is very much developed. Okay, am I audible and visible? Hello. Okay, so excretory system in human, it is very much developed. So now parts of excretory systems in humans, parts of excretory system in humans. The first one is kidney. The first one is kidney. Second one is ureter. What is that one? Ureter. Third one is urinary bladder. Okay, bladder. The fourth one is urethra. Okay, fifth one is urinary openings. Okay, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra, and urinary openings. So kidney, it filters harmful substances from blood. Okay, am I audible and visible? Okay. Yes. So it filters harmful substances from blood. Ureter, I am writing this side. Long, long, tube like structure, tube like structure which passes waste waste from kidney kidney to bladder. Here, what is this one urinary bladder? Storage of store store the store the waste store the waste. Okay. Urethra. What is the urethra? Urethra is the organ. I will write this side. Just see. Organ which is responsible for removal of waste. What is the urinary opening? Releases releases waste waste. So this is the part of, what are these? These are the parts of, I will show you in the diagram also, don't worry. Okay. This is muscular tube. Muscular muscular tube. Muscular tube. Okay. 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 So just a minute. Am I audible and visible? Hello. Yes. Am I audible and visible? Okay. So I'm removing the color mic and will show you and explain the things. Okay. Just see. See this diagram. Okay. See this diagram. This is the excretory system of human beings. Okay. So just see. Here two bean shaped. See. Two kidneys are there. These are called kidney. What is this one? Kidney. Now try to understand. When blood reaches to, now internal structure of kidney they have not shown. Here so many cells are there. Those cells are called nephrons. Okay. What is that one? In higher class you will study. So when blood reaches to these cells, what is there? That blood carry useful substances as well as harmful substances. So in the kidney cells, there is a one process that is called filtration. What is the name of that process? Filtration. So they filter what to say, waste product or harmful substances from the blood. Okay, harmful substances they filter out. Okay, and they filter out and send it to this pipe. What is that pipe? That pipe is called ureter. Okay, and rest useful matters they are still with the blood only. So what is the function of kidney? Basically kidney filters the harmful substances from the blood and send it to ureter. What is the ureter? Already I have written, just see that side. Long tube like structure which passes waste from kidney to bladder. Okay, so the moment kidney filters these ureter, they passes those product to urinary bladder. Here what is the urinary bladder? this is muscular tube, and it stores the waste or harmful substances. Okay, now afterwards what is there? Afterwards, for time being, they will be stored there, and after that they will be sent to urethra. What is the urethra? Organ which is responsible for removal of waste. Actually, this urinary bladder, it opens through the urethra. Am I audible? Okay, so it opens through the urethra, and this opening is responsible for removal of waste. The last part of human excretory system is urinary openings. So this urinary openings releases waste out. Okay, so this is the entire structure of human excretory system. Okay, this diagram you have to make. Hello. Now okay. Okay. So just see. Now this diagram you can see now. Hello. This diagram. So this diagram you have to make. Okay. So in this way, human excretory system is also over. Now an adult human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. Now the urinary means chemical composition of urine is urine is 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% other waste product. Okay, and one more important thing is there. Just see, you might have heard about the sweating. Have you heard about the sweating or not? Please keep writing the things. Okay, now remaining some more things I will write, and afterwards I will give you time to ask your doubt. Okay, just see here, one more thing I have to tell. Sometime what is there? Be sweat or not? So during sweating also some salts come out. Okay, especially in the, you might have heard. Hello, am I not audible? Try to understand. In summer season, some white patches are developed in our clothes. Do you know what are those patches? Just see, in the summer temperature is more, so be sweat. And along with the sweat, some salt also comes out. And those salts gets deposited on the collar of the shirt, or collar of the shirt, and some other parts of the clothes. Okay, near the wrist. So these white patches which are developed. Hello. Now okay. Now it's okay. Now try to understand. So these white patches are because of the removal of salt through sweat. Okay, so just try to understand. This sweat is also one type of excretory product. So our skin is also working as a excretory organ. Okay, our skin is also working as a excretory organ. Okay, does sweat serve any other function? We know that the water kept in earthen pot is cooler. This is because the water evaporates from the pores of the pot, which causes cooling. So this is no way related with this one. Now some more aspects are there, I will teach that one. Okay, so just see some more points. Can I rub this side now? Can I rub? Hello. Okay, so just see. I will rub downside. Don't worry. Upper side I will not rub. Okay. So just a minute. Hello. Nobody should present. Hello. Okay. So just see here. Downside only I will rub. Just a minute. An adult, just note down this. An adult human being, an adult human beings normally causes about 1 to 1.2 liter, 1.8 liter, 8 liter of urine daily. Okay. Chemical composition of urine. Chemical composition of urine. Am I audible? Hello. Okay. Chemical composition of urine. Urine. Okay. Water. The first one is water. What is the water percentage? It is near about 95%. 95%. Then urea. This is 2.5%. 2.5%. Third, other waste. Other waste. They are also near about 2.5%. Okay. So this is all about the chemical composition of urine. Now let me write your homework also today. So how many questions I taught today? Just see. I taught basically 3-4 questions. So let me note down the questions also. Am I audible now? Hello? Hello? Okay. So note down the first homework. Okay. Question number first. What is heartbeat? What is heartbeat? Okay. Next one question is question number 2. What is status stethoscope? Okay. Next one, question number 3. Who discovered blood circulatory system? Blood circulatory system. Okay. Question number 4. What is excretion? What is excretion? Okay. Question number 5. Explain the excretion in humans with neat and labeled diagram. Okay. So here you will get the parts also and everything. So these are the some of the questions. Okay. Any doubt now? So you have to explain. Hello. Okay, I have removed now caller. Just a minute. Unmute everyone. Unmute everyone. Okay. So, okay. हाँ. हाँ. Once again, just urethra is the opening of urinary bladder, and urinary opening is the opening of urethra. Are you getting my point or not? Did you get now? Urethra is the tube. Urethra is the tubular structure. Urethra is the tubular structure which is the opening of urinary bladder. Did you get? Hello? Hello? Yes. So, yes, so they are the, see, anus is the part of alimentary canal, okay, and both are what to say part of excretory system only. Do you think that only kidney is the excretory organ? Our just now I have given you the example of skin. Skin also does the work of excretion. Did you get my point? Hello. Ah, so it doesn't mean that only kidney will do. हाँ. Just see what I told, that the pulse rate is 72 to 80 times. Okay. Heart, just you check. I told heartbeat. I have not told heartbeat. Now I told pulse rate is 72 to 80 beats per minute. Am I correct or not? Huh. Actually, just see, heartbeat is it depends upon the age of person, but generally heartbeat is also varies that much only, 70 to 80 only. Sometimes, uh, your sound is not clear. Just you correct it, no problem. Urine, okay. Just a minute. Urine, just a minute. Urine, okay. Now it is correct now. Ask. I one thing also I told you na. Just see, veins are found inside the skin. Okay, when cut is there, so basically cut is in upper portion. Okay, and blood which is flowing, that is oxygenated blood only. That is why red blood is coming. You are not getting my point. And see that carbon dioxide rich blood that is flowing inside the body. Okay, and whenever cut is there, that cut would be the minor cut only na, in upper portion. Hello. Okay. Yes. Who is speaking? Spurti. Yes, Spurti. Carry on. Yes. No, 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 no. It is no way. Listen here, Spurti. Now, respiration is no way related with the functioning of heart. Just see, oxygen keep coming in the lungs, okay, and blood keeps going to the lungs, okay, through pulmonary vein, okay. Sorry, pulmonary artery. It is going there, okay. No, why it will be increased? Now you try to understand. Around the lungs, there is a small structure. They are called the alveoli, and these oxygen is getting stored there. That is getting stored. That is why now sometime we are not breathing. Then also our heart is working. Just see, when yoga practice, what you are doing, you are holding your breath or not, 1 minute, 2 minute, nevertheless your heart is working. So from where it is getting the oxygen? It is getting the oxygen which is stored in the alveoli. Hello, Spurti, are you satisfied? Okay, now time is up. Now it is indicating that your time is meeting time is over.